Do you know why most people lose money on new crypto projects? It's not due to poor timing or unfavorable market conditions such as a bear market or a sudden regulatory crackdown. They must understand the project entirely. One of the best starting points is reading its white paper to gain a solid understanding of any crypto project. White papers can be overwhelming. They are often lengthy and filled with technical jargon. They provide crucial project details such as their purpose, goals, architecture, implementation plans, value propositions, and monetary policies. It is the source of truth for the project. Therefore, to save yourself from rug pulls, a term used to describe fraudulent schemes where project developers abandon the project after raising funds, it is advisable to read through a white paper before investing in any cryptocurrency or blockchain-based product. Before proceeding, it's important to clarify that this video does not constitute financial advice. We do not endorse the buying or selling of cryptocurrencies. You should make your financial decisions based on thorough research and a deep understanding of the associated risks. Our goal is to provide insights, not to offer recommendations. Welcome back to the CoinPro channel. In today's episode, we're diving into a critical aspect of cryptocurrency investment: how to analyze cryptocurrency white papers before making your investment decision. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the crypto world, understanding white papers is essential for making informed decisions. Let's get started. First things first, what is a white paper? A white paper is a document that outlines the technical details, purpose, and roadmap of a cryptocurrency project. It's like a business plan for a traditional company, providing investors with crucial information about the project's potential. A white paper serves as an informational resource for projects to introduce their ideas, discuss their capabilities and technical processes, explain how the platform works, and outline user and investor benefits. For example, the Bitcoin white paper aimed to inform users about a technological breakthrough that solved the double spending issue, a problem in digital cash systems where the same digital token can be spent more than once, and how cash can be transmitted digitally from one party to another without intermediaries. In contrast, most recent white papers are to market the project or raise funds, often serving both purposes simultaneously. But how do you analyze it effectively? Here are the steps. Understanding the problem statement. The first section of a white paper often addresses the problem the project aims to solve. This section is the reason behind the project. It is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Understanding this problem statement will make you feel informed and knowledgeable. Look for a clear and concise problem statement. Ask yourself if this is a genuine problem that needs solving. Let's take a look at an example. Consider a white paper that states, "The current financial system is slow, costly, and inaccessible to many." It identifies a problem. Now, let's see how the project plans to address it. Assessing the solution. Next, evaluate the proposed solution. This step is crucial as it will make you feel confident and secure in your investment decisions. Let's view the section that describes the utility and use case of the project. It should detail how the cryptocurrency project plans to solve the problem. Look for innovation and feasibility. Can the proposed solution realistically address the issue? Does it leverage blockchain technology effectively? It can be a new blockchain that addresses and improves upon the weaknesses of older chains, a blockchain game that grants players ownership of in-game assets, or a DeFi protocol offering enhanced features and functionality compared to its many predecessors. The white paper delineates the project's distinctions from potential competitors, its innovative contributions, practical applications, and the necessity it fulfills. For instance, our blockchain platform will offer faster and cheaper transactions by using a decentralized network of nodes. It outlines a clear solution. But how will it be implemented? That's where the next step comes in. Analyzing the technology. Understanding the technology behind the project is vital. This section should detail the technical architecture, consensus mechanism, and unique features. A quality white paper elucidates the workings of the blockchain technology it employs and articulates its unique differentiators compared to competitors. If it is a project on a new blockchain, does the blockchain sufficiently satisfy the trilemma of scalability, decentralization, and security in its design? Or is the project sacrificing any of this? And to what extent? Suppose the project involves a decentralized application DApp or a blockchain game. In that case, the white paper should clarify which blockchain it operates on and justify the team's selection. Additionally, it should outline whether the project incorporates off-chain computation or introduces groundbreaking technologies. If you're not a tech expert, focus on whether the technology seems solid and whether the team can execute it. Look for specifics like, our platform uses proof-of-stake consensus to validate transactions, ensuring energy efficiency and security. The idea gives you insight into the technical backbone of the project. Reviewing the tokenomics. Tokenomics refers to the economic model of the cryptocurrency. This section should explain the token's total supply, distribution plan, and use cases. Reviewing this section will make you feel reassured and confident in the project's long-term value. Examine token allocation and whether the model promotes long-term value. An excellent white paper provides precise details on token allocation, vesting schedules for tokens, and the pricing of private sales. In contrast, a subpar white paper may omit crucial information. Look for a balanced distribution. For example, 20% of tokens are reserved for the development team, 30% for community incentives, and 50% for public sale, indicating a well-thought-out plan. Assessing the roadmap. A roadmap outlines the project's timeline and milestones. This section should detail the phases of development and key targets. High-quality white papers often delve into detailed explanations with realistic goals to enhance the project's utility. Conversely, lower-quality white papers may focus more on superficial aspects like exchange listings, marketing strategies, and website updates. Check for realistic timelines and achievable goals. For instance, Q1 2024, launch testnet. Q3 2024, mainnet launch, giving you a clear picture of what to expect and when. Evaluating the team. A project's success largely depends on the team behind it. This section should introduce the key members, their backgrounds, and their roles. Check for relevant experience and past successes. A strong team can make a big difference. For example, Peter Jackson, CEO, has 10 years of experience in blockchain development and led several successful projects. This instills confidence in the team's capability. Analyzing the market opportunity. Understanding the market opportunity is crucial for evaluating the potential success of a project. This section should analyze the target market, competition, and growth potential. Look for data-backed insights. An example would be, the global remittance market is projected to grow to $1 trillion by 2026. Our platform aims to capture a 5% share by offering lower fees. This provides a tangible opportunity. Assessing the risks. No investment is without risks. A good white paper should openly discuss potential risks and challenges. Assess whether the team has a plan to mitigate these risks. Look for statements like, regulatory changes may impact our operations. We are actively engaging with regulators to ensure compliance. This shows awareness and preparedness. Checking for transparency and community engagement. Transparency and community engagement are critical indicators of a project's credibility. This section should highlight communication channels, community initiatives, and regular updates. For example, we host monthly AMAs, Ask Me Anything, sessions, and maintain active social media channels. Now, let's examine the most obvious red flags of poorly developed white papers. First, bad white papers do have typo errors and poor language. Many poorly crafted white papers, such as joining the Web3 movement, resort to vague claims. When a project needs to articulate its purpose and functionality clearly, it often suggests that it needs more substance and clarity. Mundram view unrealistic claims skeptically. They are used as marketing tactics. So be wary of any project making grand promises like disrupting the entire blockchain space and aiming to become the next Bitcoin. If a project fails to provide sufficient information, it should be considered highly speculative and cautiously approached. If you have to search extensively for information within a white paper, perhaps through obscure links or buried sections, it could indicate that the team is not transparent or may not want you to access critical details easily. Modern white papers are designed to be accessible even to those unfamiliar with blockchain technology. Crypto companies recognize that investors may need to be more interested in or knowledgeable about the intricacies of blockchains. Instead, they are primarily concerned with potential returns and the viability of the project's use case. As a result, white papers often emphasize these aspects. Thus, you only need basic knowledge about cryptocurrencies to understand them. If you're new to this, consider starting with our educational videos on YouTube. To wrap up, analyzing a cryptocurrency white paper involves understanding the problem statement, assessing the solution, evaluating the technology and team, reviewing tokenomics, and checking the roadmap and market opportunity. Additionally, consider the risks, transparency, and community engagement. By following these steps, you can make more informed investment decisions. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into analyzing cryptocurrency white papers. Suppose you found this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe to CoinFPro for more valuable content. And as always, stay informed and invest wisely. Until next time.